Welcome back, guys. In this session, I'm going to show you how we can create an HTML pages for our Django application. So right now, what we have is, let me go to the project folder, that is views.py of Java app. See, views.py has this HTTP response, okay, and here only we have hard coded like h1 tag saying that Java homepage. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is we are not going to request for an HTTP response. Okay, see, we are going to say you just render a template. Okay, you are render a template which we request like this request, and we have to put a comma over here, and here we'll have to mention that HTML pages name. Okay, see, and that you have to mention like this. See, since we are doing for the Java, see, since I'm doing for the Java app, first we have to name the app like this, and then let's say / java home.html. Okay, see, this is the HTML page which I'm going to create for the Java home page. Okay, and similarly for the Java variables page also, I'm going to say render a request, okay, from the Java app, that is Java variables.html. So these are going to be the two HTML pages which we will create for the Java app. So first what you have to do is, inside the Java folder, main app folder, you will have to create a separate folder called as templates. Hit enter, and inside this templates you will have to create a separate folder which will be called as Java itself. That will be the same name as whatever the app name is there. Okay, and inside this Java folder you are going to create these two HTML files. So let me just grab this name from here, right click on the Java folder, create a file called as java home.html. So let me hit enter, use the shift not symbol, it will write the HTML code for us, and here inside the h1 tag, okay, let me say this is the Java homepage, and let's add few more things. Let's say Java uh, home page, and then let's add a break statement over here, and let's say lorem. Okay, it says something about Java and all those things. Okay, just like this. Okay, now let me close this one, and let me grab this particular name. Okay, because this is one of the other Java files which we need to create inside this Java folder itself. So let me right click on new file, paste it, hit enter, and now hit the shift not symbol, hit enter, and here in h1 let me write like this: Java variables, RIABLES page, and then let's add a paragraph saying that Java variables page. Let's add a break statement and type lorem, hit enter, and it will write a paragraph for us. Okay, the same thing you will have to do for the Python file as well. Okay, see, first let me go to the views.py, and here instead of HTTP response like this, and you can just remove this code from the top as well, from here as well, and you have to say render a request. Okay, render a request. So in the Python folder, so in double quotes we have to say, first we have to mention the app name, then you have to say Python Python home.html. Now just like this, let me copy this one from here, paste it over here, and say Python and Python variables, Python variables dot homepage dot html page. Okay, now all you need to do is go to Python folder, there is a main app folder, then make a folder called as templates, PLATS, hit enter, and then inside this templates you will have to create another folder with the same name as the app name, that is Python, hit enter, and then here is where you are going to create these two HTML files. Okay, so let me grab this name from here so that we don't make spelling mistakes. Right click on that Python folder, create a new file called as Python home.html, hit enter, shift not symbol I will use, the emit abbreviation option. Inside the body tag, let me put h1 and say Python home page like this, and let's add one small paragraph using the p tag. Let me say like this: Python home page. Let's add a break statement over here and say lorem. So something about the Python language it is going to say like this. Okay, now let me go to views.py file. Let me grab this name, python variables.html. Now we'll have to click on the Python folder, create a new file with this particular name. Shift not symbol will give you the HTML code. Then inside here let me type in the h1 saying that this is the Python variables page, and then here let me add a paragraph, Python variables page. Let's add a break statement, say lorem, hit enter, and there will be a dummy paragraph for that. Okay, so we have successfully integrated HTML files for both the apps in our eCoders project. So now let's go to the browser and check out our page. See, right now it was hard coded like this. Now let me just refresh this page, and as you can see, along with the h1 we have got the paragraph as well, which we created inside the HTML page. Okay, now let's go to the variables page of Java. Let's say Java variables, hit enter, and you will be inside the Java variables page. Okay, now the same thing, let's do it for the Python. Okay, so Python home / hit enter, it says the template does not exist. Okay, so let me come back and let me go to the browser and check if we have done any kind of mistake or not. Okay, so let's come to views.py of the Python one, and it says Python home.html and in double quotes. Okay, so this is perfectly correct. Okay, just like how we have created views.py in Java folder. Okay, so let's come to views.py of the Python app. Okay, and templates Python. Okay, Python spelling is also correct. So Python home.html. Okay, everything seems to be working fine. Maybe I have given the wrong URL or something. Let me check. Okay, so here we have Python home, hit enter. It says the template does not exist, Python home.html. So maybe return render request, it says here at line number 7. Okay, line number 7. So it is highlighting this particular this thing, but before that let me just clarify. Python variables ria dot html, or just you can say variables / hit enter, and see guys, for that also it is saying it does not, the template does not exist. Okay, maybe we have made some corrections. We need to make corrections in our app. No, I don't think so we have made any kind of mistakes. Maybe the browser needs to be refreshed or something like that. Okay, so let me just go to the browser. Yeah, I guess so. So let me just refresh the browser, and let's put / python home / hit enter. Yeah, as you can see, just we needed to refresh the browser, and it is coming right now. Okay, so this is the Python home page, and that too from an HTML file, and then Python variables ria ples / hit enter, and as you can see we are at the Python's variable page also. Okay, see, this is how you are going to see all the HTML pages. Okay, or you can say this is how your Django app is rendering all the HTML pages inside your eCoders project. Okay, so we have successfully done that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe my channel. I'll be posting a lot of videos like this. Thank you very much.